squats and knee pain. So this is kind of the idea. I get a lot of people that will tell me the exact same thing. Do squats cause knee pain? Because the last time I did a squat, I got knee pain when doing it. Well, we can use this exact same logic when looking at a squat as we did with the deadlift. So what is a squat, for example? A squat is simply bending your hips and knees at the same time to lower yourself down and push yourself back up to the ground. The movement is necessary and something that we need to do numerous times throughout the day, simply when we sit down in a chair and stand up. So that's a crucial part of this. In addition to this, a lot of people get pain when they're doing squats, for example, in their knees, because just like the deadlift, they're not used to doing these movements. If you take somebody who's never worked out and their knee tissues, their, let's say, connective tissue, so their tendons, ligaments, and muscles aren't used to doing a full range of motion squat, a bodyweight squat, and you just have them do that, or maybe you yourself do it, day one, are you gonna have pain? Not necessarily, but there's a chance you might, because you increased your workload extremely rapidly. You maybe not be familiar with the movements, so you could be moving in kind of a slightly non-advantageous movement pattern that's putting more stress on different tissues. And long term, this is where it screws a lot of people up. They first learn how to do a squat, and maybe they don't learn how to do it in the best of technique. And then they start loading a barbell with that bad technique squat. So then over time, they're constantly loading this bad squat that they built up. And then guess what? One day, their knee hurts so bad they can't squat. And then they blame squats because of the knee pain. And it was, in reality, they didn't build up a good movement pattern over time. They didn't build up the volume for that good movement pattern over time. And this, again, is such a big issue because that person will likely not squat for a while. Not only because it causes them a lot of pain, but because they literally think that doing that squat, for example, will cause that knee pain. Super big issue, and honestly something I really want to hopefully train you all on. Realizing that movements in themselves aren't bad. Some movements might be a little worse for others. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you liked it. I'm going to link a video in the pinned comment. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.